morning, sir. We are Group 31. We have developed an e-commerce website which mainly sells organic products like which are fruits, vegetables, pulses, and dairy products. Basically, for an e-commerce website, we have three interfaces, which is user interface, admin interface, and seller interface. This what we are seeing here is buyer interface, that is user interface. This is the home page of our website, as you can see here. Next, coming to the products which we are selling. The products which are displayed in this category of fruits, vegetables, pulses, and dairy, these products are basically added by the admin or users who are registered as the seller. In order to get the user friendly website, we have included some features like filter and search operations to get the desired product easily. And in filters, we have included less than, more than 100. Like that, the desired filters can be applied. Based on that filters, they can buy the products. If you click on all products in that category will be displayed. Coming to the search operation of our website, we have implemented search based on the product name. If you click on yes, it will show suggestions. It will navigate to this page. This is the search operation. They can buy this product. They can add to cart like this. They can perform some operations. Coming to the add to cart, whenever the user wants to buy more than one product, he can add all these products to cart and he can buy directly from that cart. If the user is not logged in and if he hit add to cart, it will go to the login page. If user is not exist, they can sign up by clicking on sign up page. Okay, show sign up. If user is already exist in our website, it will show an alert message like that. User already exists. We have performed this operation based on the email address. If you get different email, he will like if you get different email, it will take. This is the search and login and sign up. If you click on that profile, that particular login information will be shown there. Like that based on that username. Coming to the cart page, you can add more than one products to the cart. We can directly buy from there. As you can see here, these are the products. In these calculations are based on what the user like that. He can increase the quantity of the desired product. He can decrease the quantity. In the decrease quantity, if quantity is 1, it will show into button like that. We can remove from it. We can remove. If user is not interested in that particular product, he can also remove by hitting into button here. You can directly place order from here. If the saved address is there for the particular user, that address will be shown. If you want to change, you can also add another address by removing this address. And if you want to continue with this address, you can continue with this address. Once this payment details is finished, that particular product will be added to your orders and it will your orders and the in admin itself, and it also reflects to the particular seller who is selling that product. These are the products which are ordered by this particular user, whoever is login. This will change according to the user who is logging into the website at that particular time. Coming here in the profile, we can also go to the your orders. It will add to this page. And coming to the seller page of these are the saved address of the particular user whoever is login. And we can also sell products. This particular user, whenever that user is login, he can also eligible to sell the products. And here we have displayed what are the products added by that user, that particular user whoever is login. If you want to remove the product, you can remove by clicking the remove button. And it will also reflect in the user interface. If you want to add a particular product, you can also add some particular products. is adding banana. It will ask for type. It will ask for how many kgs, price per kg. If discount is there, you can add the discount, product description, and he has to provide the image URL and added in the product. This is displayed here. Image is added, Apple image. And coming to the your orders, when somebody is buying his products, that product is logged in here. That your in order your orders, that products are displayed here in the seller interface. This is the seller interface. We can see that particular product is added in the user interface. That particular product, that banana, we can see in the user interface in the vegetables, I guess. Vegetables or fruits. Here we can see banana. It is added by some particular user, whoever is login. And coming to the admin page of our website, admin interface, I have given login to the admin. If admin details are not good, it will show login failed. We have given default admin username and login, username and password. You can log in. Here in the admin page, admin can see over all the users information. What are all the addresses of that users? All that information can be seen by the admin. In the orders, what all the products are, what are the products which are ordered by the some of the products, all the orders coming to the website is can see here. Seller products. If admin want to add a product, he can also directly add from here. If any user of our website has sold some of the products, that products also will be displayed here. All the products whichever available on our website, those are available here. The admin can remove, admin can add, admin can do anything with these products. It will reflect in the user interface. So for example, pomegranate is removed. We cannot see pomegranate in the fruits. Cannot see pomegranate. Pomegranate is removed. Like that, we can also remove. Admin can remove. Admin can add. Admin can do anything. This is our website. This is the whole content of our website. Thank you, sir.